Hi there. Welcome to the Handmaidens. I haven't seen you in a while, but it's good to see you today. How are you doing? I hope everything's fine with you and you are enjoying this last stretch of winter, February weather. It might be warm where you are. It might be cold. It certainly was cold here. We had some Arctic freezing, but that's past and things are getting better and better every day. So today we got a really fun craft, cooking, sort of beauty thing we're going to do. We're going to make our own fabulous, wonderful, beautiful body scrub with ingredients that you have laying around. I had said this earlier, I was going to do this. The main ingredient you're going to need today for is a body cane. A candy cane. You got any of these leftover babies hanging around from Christmas time off your tree? Now is the time we get to use them up. So today's recipe for one big serving is going to call for 6 candy canes. You'll need some coconut oil, organic, regular, cheap, whatever floats your boat. Just some coconut oil. We're going to melt it up. We're going to use about a cup of that for our one serving that we're going to make. You're going to need some Himalayan pink salt. Okay, we're going to mix that in, and it's going to be easy peasy. And you're going to need some white sugar. I'm not going to lift up the big jar, but you're only going to need a half a cup of it, like here, white sugar. Some other things you will need. You'll need a container to put your luscious, delicious, wonderful, sweet and salty body scrub, candy cane, peppermint patty, whatever you want to call it, into. Today we're going to use this big guy because I'm going to throw it all in the one, but you can use little ones. I've got these that you can use any jar. You got an old jar, baby food jar, whatever. You want to decorate the top. Use them up. Let's recycle. Let's repurpose. I got these Farberware storage jars with airtight lids. They're 3 ounces. These are really great if you want to make individual ones. Let's say you want to give them out as Valentine's gifts. You want to give them to baby shower or bridal shower or sweet 16 party or quinceañera or just as something, to say you're thinking of somebody. What a nice, wonderful thing. Let me tell you, Mano and I use this stuff when we made some, and it works. Leaves your skin feeling luscious. I am not lying. So it's really easy. Other things, maybe a little bit of baker's twine, whatever you want to use, ribbon or twine, or some little mixing tools. I have mine and some rubbing alcohol to make sure there's no bacteria getting into them, and some, if you want to hang a little embellishment here, got some different charms if you want to do that to make it all fancy. Maybe you got some old jewelry, some beads you want to put on there. Maybe you want to make a special tag, a little card cut out of old Valentine's Day cards. Whatever. Use your creativity, people. I want to hear all about it. Tell me what you did, how you made it. Some essential oils. Today I'm using rosemary essential oil, peppermint essential oil, though you really don't need it because the candy smells just delicious. And I'm using a little bit of regular vanilla because I don't have like an essential oil vanilla. I should get some. I thought I did. I don't. So I just threw some of the regular old stuff in there. Use whatever scents you want. Put some rose in there. It would go nice. Rose and peppermint is lovely. Look nice with a nice pink color we're going to have. So, you're going to use a mixing bowl, a spoon. You might want one of these guys. This is a mallet. One way you can chop up, we got to chop up those candy canes. You might want to bash them up. You put them in a plastic bag and bang, 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 bang. You can do that. And then you mix the ingredients. You don't need any electricity whatsoever. Except for the fact that, if you hear Jack's laughing in the background. He's always wants to get in on the action. I'm going to use my old new Ninja here for doing the bashing. But like I said, you can smash them by hand, get rid of some of the aggression. You might want to use some pipettes for getting your essential oils out, whatever. That's nice. So let's get started, okay? Let's get to the grinding part. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add our 6 candy canes in. They don't have to be broken because it's going to do that. It's just that getting those plastic wrappers off is the hardest part of the whole entire thing. And you're going to have to plug your ears now for a minute because we're going to put this on chop and high speed, okay? And it's going to chop for about a minute. If it starts, let's see. Why does this? Oh, it's probably my lid isn't on right. Is that right? Sometimes that's what it is. You know what? There. That's it. They have all these safety precautions in the Ninja. Here we go. We're going to go. And like I said, it's going to get loud. Maybe. That's enough. Then we're going to throw in our half release. Ooh, there goes this. Oh, smells delicious. Like candy canes. We're going to half a cup of Himalayan pink salt. Half a cup of plain granulated white sugar in there. And we're going to mix it again. And I think I'm going to turn it off so you don't have to listen. How's that? How about that? We're not going to put you through that again. Okay. Be right back. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go take our beautiful mixture of 6 candy canes, a half a cup of white sugar, and a half a cup of Himalayan pink salt. We'll put it in a mixing bowl, and we're going to add to it 1 cup of melted, semi-melted coconut oil. I'm going to pour that in. Beautiful. And we're going to give it a good mix. Lovely. Lovely. You can just smell this. It already smells delicious. Now in here, because you don't want that too hot, the oil. Don't make it hot because the hot oil will take away the, this is just cool. It'll take away the essential oils. Essential oils degrade with hot temperatures. So we're going to put in rosemary, and I like to do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then some peppermint oil, essential oil. I use the Sun essential oils. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, you're very sensitive to using essential oils on your skin. Don't put them in. Don't do that. Don't do anything that's going to hurt you. I'm going to use like a cap full of vanilla. Vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract. And, well, I put a little more. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're not doing this. Oh, I see I have a little extra powder in there. It didn't come out. Let me get that. Get all the goodness out. Every last drop. And we're going to give that a little mix. Yeah. And then I probably should have had a funnel for this next job because I haven't filled this big one. I was doing the little ones and then tamping it down after with a little thing. So I'm going to pour. Can we see this? Are we off camera?
All right.
Hold on. Hold on. I'll move. I can move.
All right.
My cameraman's busy. Well, look, checking his phone.
My bad.
Yeah. How we doing?
Good.
Okay.
The bowl.
The
Oil.
bowl's in the way?
A little bit.
Okay. Just gonna scooch it in there. Can you see anything?
A little bit.
Yeah. If I do it backwards, I feel I'm gonna spill it all over. So, here we go. We got 6 candy canes ground up for a minute in the Ninja. Half a cup of white sugar. Half a cup of Himalayan pink salt, finely ground. 1 cup of coconut oil, melted but not hot. 9 drops of rosemary oil. 9 drops of peppermint oil. A cap of... Let me get my tamper. 1 cap full of... Sure, you both got stuck in there together. 1 cap full of vanilla extract. This is completely safe. What I did with before when I made some is I put them in the fridge. It will thicken and harden anyhow, but that way it'll firm up quickly. It's pretty firm now, as you can see. I put this little airtight lid on there like that, and boom. You can put some, open this up again, put some baker's twine, however much you want, around there a couple times. Right. You can make this real fancy or real simple, depending. Snip that off. There we go. I'm trying to tie a bow backwards. Yeah. Not easy. Not like I couldn't have moved around. You get the idea. Not a very nice bow, people. There. My goodness. You can make really fancy bows if you want. You can take lots of, let me give this baby something to hang off of here. Here we go. Let's see, what do we have? This is going to be for me, so it really doesn't have to be that fancy, but you know, you're going to love somebody. Love yourself first. You can't love anybody else unless you love yourself first. So it is the season of love. So we'll put one more piece here to hang our little heart. Just a memento. Take time for self-care and love. This is going right in. Use this in the shower. Use it washing your hands and give your hands, those winter chapped hands feel nice and soft and silky. We tried it. We loved it. It's wonderful. Test it on a small area of your skin. If you have allergies or sensitivities, the salt will be good because it'll extract, you know, impurities, and the sugar and the oils will just make your skin feel wonderful. Act like an exfoliant. There you have it. How's that? Here are the little ones that we made the other day. Beautiful. Make nice little gifts, party favors, what have you. And that's it, folks. If you like this video or like any of the other Handmaidens videos that is growing, and our channel's growing and growing and growing, but we can't grow without you. So I ask you from the bottom of my Valentine heart, please hit like and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. We would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. And until next time, always live that simple life, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.